Hey guys, all right, so we are here with Jordan Frecka and Brett from the Triple F collection. They got in their car this morning, or truck and trailer this morning at 3:45. I think they left a little bit late. What time was it? 4:37?
4:37 to be
4:37 to be exact, and drove to Georgia to bring their C8 project car here to us at Cicio Performance. So, first of all, I'd kind of like to understand, why us?
Well, I've dealt with you before. We've had past relationships
Yep.
With the GTR world. I've sent stuff to you. We've done a few things. So when we got the C8 and we knew we wanted to do something with it. So, we were thinking, what can we do and how can we do it to not just have it be a regular C8. So your name came to mind first and foremost, and that it says a lot. It's been how many years? 3 years maybe?
Yeah.
3 or 4 years since we've actually done anything.
Yep.
So, but your name immediately came to my mind and we thought, what can we do special with it, with you, to make this like just a world beater?
Yeah.
So we immediately, got together, had a few conversations, and let's make this the world's fastest quarter-mile C8.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, so we did some of that stuff on the GTR back in the day, and then I think that we did another project with you guys as well recently, correct?
We did, we did the 720, right?
Yeah, we shipped down the 720S, got the exhaust, down pipes, and tune on that. Unfortunately, we didn't have too much seat time with it when we got it back before it moved on to a new home, but hopefully the new owner is enjoying it.
I'll tell you though, man, that 720 after we got it back was absolutely mind-blowing. The 720,
it was night and day different.
The 720 stock is an insane vehicle, man. I mean, with your tune and getting the pipes on it, it was absolutely insane.
Yeah,
mind-numbing.
I drove that car. I'd never driven a 720 before, so we got FedEx coming in here. We had the lawn crew come in. I had to shut them down. We got FedEx coming in here. Perfect time for a video. Anyway, so I had never driven a 720 before. So he told me, he said, make sure and flog it before you send it back. And regretfully, I had to. So, so yeah, I took it out and drove it for a little while, probably 30 miles on it. What an awesome vehicle. So that was cool. I appreciate that opportunity.
Of course,
that was
absolutely.
Awesome. So anyway, back to the C8. Yeah, so we were pretty excited. He sent us, we chatted back and forth. I was very excited to be able to link up with you guys. Obviously, you have a wonderful reputation. You know when you're going to do something, you're going to do it seriously. And I'm kind of the same way. I don't like half-assing anything.
That's right.
Right? So, and I feel like we've got a really, really good grasp on the platform, and enough to be able to deliver really the fastest C8 in the world, and to keep it there, which I'm really excited about it. So, we're going to do a fully built motor. We're going to do CNC heads. We're going to do a Datsun clutch. We're going to do our proprietary turbo kit, the ETS manufacturers for us, with a secondary fuel system and a Motec. And then we're going to do some wheels and tires. And we're not going to slam it on airbags, although that was kind of thought about for a while.
I don't know if you wanted to camber it or not.
We're going to tilt the camber in. We're worried about it spinning because it's only going to be on this much of the tire.
Never mind, cut that out.
Okay, we're not going to do that anymore. So anyway, so yeah, we're excited about it. I just wanted to do like a little, before they went home, I want to do a little video with you guys. Hopefully we get to do way more. I'd love when we finish it, I'll bring it up with you, maybe do some stuff at the drag strip, and we'll get a good time.
Absolutely.
But through the whole build, please watch. Was the Triple F collection on Instagram, correct?
Yep, and YouTube. Yep.
And YouTube, okay. We'll be giving them content, they'll be giving us content, and there'll be just lots of stuff about this build. I'm gonna be at the machine shop with it, showing you guys the difference in the engine. I'm gonna be showing you turbo kit stuff. I'm gonna be showing you when the thing's ripped apart. If we hit any snags or anything like that, it's gonna be full on. We're gonna tell you all about all of it.
The good, the bad, and the ugly.
Absolutely. Yep. So that you guys can see what it takes to take a car from the showroom floor with a drive-out tag on it to the fastest C8 in the country, we hope.
We're going to get there. We have faith in you.
Yeah, I appreciate it very much.
Thank you, man.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right, thank you guys. Alrighty, and we're out.
Perfect.